What's up, guys? Wanted to hop on quick. Um, just a quick announcement. I got the domain for the Money Makeover Challenge, so it's ready to go. If you want to take this beta, basically I'm going to start it off at $97. I figure that's like an easy enough price point that anyone who's interested can jump in. So basically you can come here, hit the next step. It's going to take you straight to the cart. And basically this is going to show you everything you're going to get from this challenge. And once you opt in and check out, I'm going to shoot you the link to the actual login. And you can log in right now and go through the first 2 days. And basically, I'm building out content right now as we go. So it's going to be me and you and hopefully a small group of other people going through this together, step by step. I'm going to go back to show you guys where I started from and how I've grown my net worth in the last 5 years or so, and escape my factory job to a job that's much better in terms of work-life balance and just works better for my family. So if you want to take this challenge and you have any questions, feel free to reach out. But I wanted to make this available. So you can go to themoneymakeoverchallenge.com right now and get access to this. Like I said, I'm going to make it a small group. It's going to be a private Facebook group, so no one else but the people inside the group will know you're going through this challenge. You don't want them to. But basically, here's the inside of the dashboard. So once you log in, you're going to see this welcome video. This is just for the beta. I'll swap this out once the actual course launches. But days 1 and 2 are ready. You can check these out. I think you guys will enjoy kind of the way this course is going to be laid out once it's ready. And I have the basic blueprint of the course from days 3 to 7 mapped out. I've been coming in here and filling content as I finish it as well. There's going to be some good master classes on some awesome topics. Even if you never plan to be a landlord, you need to know about real estate, because whether you're renting or buying, you're living somewhere, and there's ways to do that more efficiently, save money, or even make money off your living situation, even if you don't ever want to manage tenants. So I highly recommend checking that out. Index funds, those are great, whether you're working a W-2 job or you're an entrepreneur, especially if you're an entrepreneur, because you can dump more pre-tax money into your accounts than a traditional W-2 employee. And that tax savings is just instant return on your money, not to mention the compounding effects over time. I'm going to show you how to get access to low-cost index funds, which can save you a significant chunk of change over a lifetime versus all those crappy investments that the financial industry wants to sell you. So highly recommend checking that out as well. Tax optimization, that's one of my things that I went to school to be an accountant for. I wanted to learn how to minimize my taxes on my rental properties. Last year, I paid no taxes just from the few rentals that I own and the way I use my workplace retirement accounts. So anybody can do this. I want to take a group through and really share everything I know, really change some financial futures. So if that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and go to the moneymakeoverchallenge.com. You're going to see the opt-in. It's going to show you how you can get access, and hopefully we can start a beta group, and it's going to be awesome. So appreciate you guys. Thanks for checking this out. Let me know what you're thinking in the comments, or if you have any questions, shoot me a message if you don't want to have those public as well. But I'm going to hop off here and keep working on this content. As I said, I'll be available if you want to chat before you jump in. And don't think that because this price is low, it's not valuable. I could charge, $2,000 for this course, guys, with the content I'm going to put in here and the value that's going to be given. But I just want to get anyone who can change their futures. I want to give them access to it. Those who are passionate but don't have a lot of money. So that's why I'm starting off at $97. But I'm going to hop off here, guys. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or input. Appreciate it. Talk to you later.